Well, hi, and welcome to Coffee with Chris. It is Friday, March 28th. It is the last weekend of March. We are the Front Porch, located at 24 South Main Street in downtown Pennington, New Jersey, and this is going to be one heck of a weekend. Tomorrow, Saturday, it's supposed to go up to 82 degrees, and I work Saturdays, but I took a look at the sign up at my favorite country club, Yardley Country Club, where I'm a member. I think there are 23 to 25 women playing tomorrow morning. And the great thing about it is all you have to do is say, I want to play. And Wendy, who manages the Weekend Warriors, she puts you with a group and she mixes them up, and it's always a great time. Yours truly is going to be playing on Sunday, but it's only supposed to be 60 degrees and we might have the potential for rain. But as I say, it never rains on the golf course. So let's get to it. First of all, shout out to everyone who came out last night. It was a blast. It was an event where we were spotlighting Wallaroo hats. Mary came to town and so many of you came in and said, I don't look good in hats. And you walked out with a hat or two. We even had two men come last night and they also walked out with a hat. We were very happy to have Tim and Patrick in the house. It was just really, really great. So I have to shout out to Mary. I have to do a shout out to Lori, who represents Savannah Bee and Stonewall Kitchen and Michelle Design. You guys are fabulous. And our wonderful customers that came last night. The event didn't start till 4. You started walking in at 3, and it's okay. Come shop with us anytime. We had 6 winners last night. I'm not going to mention their last name, but I am going to tell you who they are. First of all, I mentioned Tim. 2 guys came in last night. Tim was a winner. He won a basket from Savannah Bee. So Tim, it does pay to shop at the Front Porch. Then we had a gift basket from Michelle Design. Our winner for that was Carmen. And I think this might have been Carmen's first time of coming to an event. And last but not least, our winner of Stonewall Kitchen was a very dear friend that really likes our events, Beth. So those are our 3 gift basket winners. Then we were also raffling off 2 $50 gift cards to the Front Porch. And one of them, dear friend of mine who plays golf at Yardley Country Club, Karen, see, it paid to come out, didn't it, last night? Yes, she's won before and she won again last night. Seems like every time she comes out, she's a winner. And we also had a very dear friend of ours, Mary, who came out last night. Every time she comes, she brings three friends. They have a great time, and then they go out for dinner. Mary was also a $50 gift card winner. And last but not least, the individual that won a Wallaroo hat of her choice, Cindy, a new golf buddy of mine at Yardley Country Club. She actually bought a hat last night because she sees there are probably 12 to 15 of us up there every time we play golf with the Wallaroo hats on. She thought, you know what, I better join the club. She walked out of here looking dynamite, and she is a winner again. So I just have to, it's a lot of work. You know, I know you all know you don't do anything and just turn a button. It's a lot of work, but it's a lot of fun. And I really, really thank you for coming out. Okay, so let's get this party started. First of all, reminder, we still have this great gift with purchase tote from our dear friends, Brighton. And just speaking of Brighton, we are going to be having an event with Allie from Brighton. It is a Wednesday night. You will be hearing about it April 9th. And I'm hoping you can just put that little date down. It will be 4 to 7. And we always have a good time with Allie. So this is a beautiful, beautiful tote. Kaylee just keeps touching it. She goes, this is just so great. Then we got back in the house these wonderful straw handbags. Aren't these wonderful? They are absolutely great. I do own one. Mine is a light off-white leather. I couldn't find one. I think we might have sold it last night and it didn't get replaced, but this is a great purse. It comes with the little slats in there for your credit cards. It's very lightweight. You could put your phone, you know, we can't leave anywhere, we can't go anywhere without our phone. Put your little phone right there, and it is just, I love this bag. Absolutely fabulous bag. You really liked the red last year, and I think you're gonna like the red again this year. And we also got it in black. Then it comes in like a leather color, which I think at this point, I've got 2 people that bought them. I think they're gone. I have to get them back in again. And then of course my color, which I think is just a situation where we didn't replace it and I've got to bring it down. So we are out of the color you like. We can order it for you. You want something from Brighton? Let us order it for you. If it is a gift, of course, we can always ship it. All right. Then another item I have to show you. You've loved these jackets. I love these jackets. Just have to show you. I'm going to just start here. We got back in the house these wonderful jackets that come in sizes extra small to actually double XL. So they really have the spectrum of sizes, which is really, really great. They are very easy to special order from. This jacket, as far as I'm concerned, is probably a 9-10 month out of the year jacket. It washes very well. This is a fabulous blue that I think looks great on everyone. Then, of course, we have the great navy blue. Got this back in. I think we have this in most sizes. This is really, really great. I was thinking this morning as I was putting on this outfit, I thought, you know what? I should get myself one of the navy blue ones. It's one of the colors I don't have. Then, the beautiful color of olive. That just came back in. Really, really great. And last but not least, I said to them, okay, we carry about 5 different colors of your jackets, which includes black and white, of course. What other color shall we get? And they said, stone. So we did. We just got in the stone, and this is just really, I think Lynn had this jacket. She had gotten it someplace else. And just, you know, you might not want white. You might just want a little beige. And our dear friend Carol, she was the first one to walk out of here with this great jacket last night. So once again, we don't have your size. Let us order it for you. Then, I showed this to you on the last Coffee with Chris. This is from Hawaii. These are our popcorn sweaters. You're showing us you love them. And we have this body, which I showed you. We have this in this color and in black. The way this is selling, I think I need to get other colors too. Then, this is the body. This is sage, actually. This is the body that we had last year that you loved, loved, loved. You're loving it again this year. Then, the third body, which is like a cardigan. It was really funny last night. One of our good friends, Bonnie, she got her hands on this cardigan. It was the only one left. And then we had probably 2 to 3 customers before she walked out of here with it that had to try it on so we could special order it for them. Bonnie, you were a very good sport. You're a very good friend. And I just wanted to let you know that third body of popcorn sweaters, we are going to reorder those today. They are coming from Hawaii, so it takes a little bit of time. Okay, then I need to show you something else. These are great candles that we get from a company called Root. They are made in the United States. You've shown us that you've liked them. This is a Karen pick. She found it someplace else. Let me just show you. This is Energized, like the Energized Bunny. And I just want to show you this. They come in these great little boxes. Just, it's really great gift for someone, but the smell is just fabulous. So we have Energize, we have Uplift, we have Rest, Illuminate, and that Rest one is a brand new one. Relax, which is the number one. We can't keep, that's like the number one, relax. And last but not least, Renew. Doesn't matter which one you like, and you might pick it because you like the color, you might pick it because you like what it says, or you might just pick it because you love the way it smells. These are wonderful. We've had them for a couple of years. Then, last but not least, I just have to show you, I got one item in from Jellycat. It was on a back order. You know how I like to always give sneak peeks to my Coffee with Chris customers. You have got to check this out. It is a bagel. Now, I think we have a little bit of cream cheese and lox going on here, but it's one of my favorite foods, actually. This is a absolutely fabulous Jellycat bagel. We have a few, not tons, so remember our numbers, 609-737-0071. Text us on our store cell phone at 609-902-9200, or email us at sales@thefrontporch. So I want to wish each and every one of you a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Hopefully you get to get out there and enjoy it. And we will look forward to seeing you on the next Coffee with Chris next Wednesday. Take care and be safe.